fourth graders, this is Miss Leon. Today we are going to learn about multiplying a two-digit number by a multiple of 10. So we're going to do that how I love to do that, and that's by using an area model and a place value strategies to multiply by multiples of 10. When multiplying by a multiple of 10, I'm going to first show the array model. My problem is going to be 20 times 28. Notice 28 is a two-digit number when I do it in expanded form. It is 20 plus 8. So there are two boxes in this area model. And 20 is just how it is in expanded form by a place value, just 20. So I have one box coming down for 20, and then two going across, one for 20 and the next for 8. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly shade in these areas right here. This will be my area for the 20 part, and then this will be my area for the 8. Please notice that when I'm doing the area model, I'm not coloring this in overly dark. I'm just giving it a light shading so I can see the difference. All right, so in this box right here, I have 20 times 20, 20 times 20. And when I do 20 times 20, I take my basic math fact, which is 2 times 2, which is 4, and then I add the 2 zeros on the back. So that would be 400.
Next, I'll be multiplying 20 times 8. 20 times 8, I take my basic math fact, which is 2 times 8, that is 16, and add the additional 0 on the back. What I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to add my partial products, which is 400 plus 160, to find that my product is 560. I can also do this problem of multiplying by a multiple of 10 in another way, and that would be with the distributive property. Remember, any number that is a multiple of 10 has 1 0 on the back of it: 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So I'm going to show this in the distributive property now. Right, in the distributive example of 20 times 28, I'm going to also use this area model to help me. This is how I've instructed you to do it before, and I just really think it's the best way to go. So I'm going to rewrite my problem: 20 times 28. And you guys have asked before, is it important to color code? It's not mandatory, but I think it is probably the best, as it will help you see the patterns in these numbers faster. All right, we're going to distribute this 20 to the 2 in the tens place first. So that is going to be this 20 right here. I'm going to multiply it times the 2 in the tens place, this 20. Next, I need to multiply this 20 and distribute it to the 8 in the ones place. So it will be 20 times 8. What I will do is I will multiply these groupings together, or these associations together. 20 times 20 is 400, and 20 times 8 is 160. You are going to notice that you had these same partial products in the area model above. When you do 400 plus 160, you find that your product will be 560, just like it was in the example above. I'm going to show you this in one last way, and that will be the baby algorithm way. All right, just like I taught you before, while we are using baby algorithm, we are going to take the digit in the ones place, and we are going to multiply it by the other digit in the ones place. So that would be this 0 right here times 8. 0 times 8 is 0. Then we would take this 0 and we would multiply it by the 2 in the tens place. So that would be 0 times 20, which is also 0. Now we are going to go ahead and we're going to multiply the 2 in the tens place. So we have already exhausted this 0. We've multiplied it by both digits in the places that we have. So I'm moving over to the 2 in the tens place, and that would be 20. So does 20 times 8? 2 times 8 is 16 with the 0 on the back. That is 160. Be sure that you are honoring the place value. And now I'm going to take this 2 in the tens place and multiply it by this 2 in the tens place, which is 20 times 20. 2 times 2 is 4, and then 2 zeros is 400. These are your partial products, and we are going to add them up. Please remember that the partial products that we had before in our area model and also in our distributive model were both 400 and 160. So we are noticing the similarities in all three methods, and our end product is 560.